Hi friends, today in this video I will teach you how to fix there has been a critical error on the WordPress website. As you can see, this error is common and we can see how to fix this. This is actually because of a plugin or a theme conflict. So when you are uploading a new plugin, sometime this error will come. So we can check how we can fix this. So just go to your control panel and your hosting account, and you can see the file manager there, and open the file manager. There you can find you can see your WP contents there. You can see the WP content option here. Just open that folder, and on the plugin settings just rename the plugin. Click on the rename option and you can just add .tst test. You can just add that and just click on rename, and go to your WordPress website and just refresh, and you can see there is no plugins are available and all the plugins are deactivated and our site is working. Now just click on install plugins and you can see no plugins there. So just rename again to the previous like plugins and just click on rename, and go to your website and just refresh, and you can see all your plugins there. Now you can just activate the plugins one by one and you can find which plugin is making problem. So just activate one by one. You can install all the plugins like this. Install and you can activate all the plugins. Just activate all the plugins, and I'm going to activate this plugin. Just click on activate, and you can see the error is coming like this. So go to the plugins again and open the plugins folder, and you can find that plugin files here on the plugin folder, and you can just type .tst for that plugin file and click on rename, and go to your plugin settings, and you can see the plugin is available. Just delete that plugin, that's all. The error is gone. If you want that plugin, you can just contact the plugin support and ask for support. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.